Hey, I'm Ty. Thanks for watching the DJI Goggles tutorial series. In this episode, we'll be showing you how you can use DJI Goggles with a friend. Now, while some DJI drones, like the Phantom 4 Pro, require a wired connection, the Mavic Pro connects wirelessly to DJI Goggles via its OcuSync transmission system. With a wireless connection, flying with a friend is easier than ever. Now, with a pair of goggles and controllers, you can control the drone while your friend wears the goggles, or vice versa, for a shared flight experience. Up to 2 pairs of goggles and 2 remote controllers can be connected to a Mavic Pro simultaneously. If you have an extra pair of goggles and remote controller, you can try coach mode and multi-user mode. In coach mode, a single pair of goggles and 2 remote controllers can be connected to the aircraft. One controller is the primary and the other is the secondary. If your friend is a new or inexperienced pilot, set their controller as the secondary controller. The primary controller stick inputs will now take precedence over your friend's if he or she experiences difficulty when flying. The secondary controller can control aircraft movement, but only 2 seconds after the last primary remote controller control stick input. If you want to work together to capture a shot, the secondary controller can control gimbal movement, while the primary controller controls the aircraft. Let's look at how to set up coach mode. In the goggles menu, select the toolbox icon, then select linking settings, select advanced linking, and choose connect one set of goggles. The goggles linking status indicator will turn red. Then press the linking button on the Mavic Pro. Linking is complete when the status indicator turns solid green. And finally, connect the secondary remote controller. In DJI Go 4, go to Remote Controller Settings, select Remote Controller Linking, and choose Secondary Remote Controller. Now, multi-user mode is just like coach mode, except you can connect an additional pair of DJI goggles. To enter multi-user mode, select the toolbox icon and select Linking Settings. Select Advanced Linking, then connect 2 sets of goggles, and then select Primary Remote Controller. Next, press the linking button on the Mavic Pro to pair the controller. Now, set the controller as the primary controller in DJI Go 4. Repeat the same steps for the secondary remote controller. Now, please note that head tracking is only available with the pair of goggles linked to the primary remote controller. Well, that concludes our DJI Goggles tutorial series. Now it's time to get out there and fly. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.